Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Sector.
What does the dictionary say?
A mathematical instrument consisting of two flat rulers hinged together at one end and bearing various scales.
Math rap.
I cannot tell a math lie. A sector is like a slice of pie. The area between two radii projecting with the arc of the circle connecting.
Math rap.
Where do you find bugs hanging around? In sectors? Explain sectors in your own words. How many sectors of cheese can you eat in one sitting? Name everyday objects that are divided into sectors. Draw 5 examples of sectored objects. How many sectors should pizzas be divided into? Survey the class. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!